Now we're recording.
Yay!
Yay! Hey guys! It's your old boy Tom from Revenge Airsoft.
I'm galactic and I forgot all my shit.
He forgot all his shit today. So we're gonna go and hopefully he's gonna die. You're gonna see some pretty good gameplay here. Yeah. So I will be getting a new gun probably soon, like very soon, because they have free rentals today. So I might just. I wonder. Oh, that's an AMG!
That was a pretty glorious reaction.
Car orgasm right now.
Cargasm?
Cargasm, yep.
I'm orgasming so hard.
Okay, that is some pretty menacing shit right there, dude.
Yeah.
The skulls of death.
I am definitely scared.
For a sec, I thought he had a saw. I was like, wait, what the fuck?
I'm even more dead now.
Where did the teams go? Like, are we just killing each other?
I don't know. He's going that way. I'm gonna follow you. They look good. I'm gonna follow them.
We're gonna follow this. Wait, who are we following now?
I don't know.
Shit. Rough.
Is there a specific field we should go to, or anything? Whatever.
I don't know anything about it.
Okay.
I'm here for another event. Sorry I got you shot. Oh no, it's all good.
They're starting from over there and pushing this way.
Okay.
No, I'm just trying to.
That's totally legit. Granite, where's your gun?
In my pocket.
Up your pants?
In my pants, yeah. Why do I
Where's
have a feeling I'm gonna get shot walking?
I'm lost, so. Hey, Shane.
Hello.
We are so lost. Holy shit. Where is yellow? Dude?
Yeah? What?
We're walking in enemy territory right now. No, we're not. Somewhere. Where the fuck does yellow go?
Go ahead, take this flag up there, put it in there, and back as soon as possible. We're waiting for you here.
Took, where?
Take the flag, our base. This is a bucket.
Drop it in the bucket.
Okay, is
Yeah.
it, where's like the, looks
Our
like,
base, our base. This is a red pocket in the floor. Home Depot,
okay.
color orange.
Wanna go with me, Grant?
Go faster.
Yep. That's right here.
Go with them.
Yeah.
Go behind Scotty. Just a low breath,
Yeah. Flags right here. Which one? There's the flags right here. You got it, I gotta put my that's kind of too early. We up a little bit. Yeah, we got another flag right there. Want me to run it?
Go.
Okay. Yeah.
You gotta take what the Christmas bag. It's fun to do.
Yeah. Grant, do you need ammo? I think we had the hill. God, I hate these storm things. God. I hate these things so much. We're almost to the road. Yeah. God damn. Oh, I see him.
They're way over there.
Yeah, they're way over there.
If we keep going down, we can come at them from the side, though.
Yeah. And then get shot. Oh, I see him. I know.
And I have a pistol. Directly in front of me. Your left. I'm gonna get hit.
Oh, hit. They got me. No. Where do we go? Do we just go back to bunker?
All the way back there.
Fuck. Well, I'm gonna start the long walk back there. Granite, have fun.
I will.
Hey, this little kid over here.
I know.
He's got a pistol.
There's a very thin tree in that way.
Well, have fun, Granite. Oh, man. Are we all out?
Yep. I'm gonna go get a rental gun.
Yep. Same here. A little better. That'll be all.
And I'm gonna have like a whole commentary in my video about how shitty.
Absolute piece of shit. I feel so undermatched.
I know.
Well, dude, I know how you feel.
I know,
'Cause-
our guns shoot about the same distance.
Dude. And mine's a rifle.
I know.
And mine has a longer
Oh shit, reporting for duty. Boom.
DBSF. Dick Butt Special Forces.
Oh yeah.
That's our new team. Me and Justin created a team called Dick Butt Special Forces.
I'm an honorary member.
Yep. No, you're part of Team Jackass.
Oh, okay.
Because you forgot all your shit at home. Now see, Granite, school thing to do. Put a gun on a RC car.
Oh my god. Put a claymore on it. The airsoft claymore.
Oh my god.
Thing.
I'm gonna end that.
That was a waste of battery
And memory.
and everything.
Why has Become to Cove such a shitty day today?
I know, right?
Yeah, finally get to go airsofting again.
But fuck, left all my shit at home.